Before you even think about clicking checkout on lomarastock.com, let me save you some regret. Is this site a hidden gem, or just another online scam waiting to snatch your money? Here's what you need to know. First up, transparency. Legitimate online stores are easy to contact. They list real phone numbers, business addresses, and have nothing to hide. Lomarastock.com, though, it's a ghost town. Vague about us section, no real contact info. That's a giant red flag. Next, let's talk about the deals. If you see high-demand electronics or designer brands selling for way less than anywhere else, think twice. Scammers love making things look too good to be true because honestly, they are. Here's another trick. Look up the website's age using something like iCanLookup. Scam sites usually pop up overnight and disappear just as fast. Lomarastock.com? Very new, and with almost zero social media presence. That's not what a trusted store looks like. And what about customer service? A lot of people who roll the dice with these sites say that once they've paid, the seller vanishes or sends out fake tracking numbers. No real support, no real updates, just frustration. So, how do you protect yourself? Always check third-party reviews on sites like Trustpilot or Hello Peter. If there are no reviews or only suspiciously positive ones, that's your cue to step back. Use payment methods that offer protection, like credit cards or PayPal. Never send money by wire transfer or crypto. And if product photos look like stock images, do a quick reverse image search. They might be stolen. Bottom line, lomarastock.com sets off way too many alarm bells.